Hi everybody, tonight I will show how to graft your your grafting, your knitting. First you do your tube like this with waste yarn, very important. The waste yarn will help you to grab the stitches more easy. You will grab them one by one with the wool needle. First you put your work like this, side by side. And then with your wool, your pink wool, you will go with your needle, grab one stitch there and one stitch there. You do like a sorry, it's all stuck now, but you will see it. I keep the video for I think it's 8 minutes, so hope you will be able to get it. See, I catch the stitch that I already done, and then I go on the top and I grab a new stitch there. A new stitch is in the last one, and grab a new one in the last one and grab a new one. I put it a little bit closer, maybe you could see better. Last one and a new one. You see, on the top, when you're on the top with your wool needle, your stitch will do like a hey, a letter A. And when you're on the bottom one, your stitch will do a V on your wool needle like this. I'm not sure if you understand it, what I try to say, but grab one and it's a shape like a triangle on the top and a V on the bottom when it's on the needle like this right now. See a V? So I will continue like that. I won't go too fast because I want you to get it. If I go too fast, it's no use to share it. So you grab the last stitch and then the new one. And I will continue like that till I reach the other side of my work. There. You could use that technique for socks. You could use that for maybe a sweater, or you could use it for slippers, scarf, infinity scarf, headband, hat. A lot of possibility with this technique to close your work. If you have other option, let me know in the comment, like possibility to use that stitch with your project. So I continue like that. I keep going. More you watch, more you learn. So I could stop it here at 3 minutes if you got it. If you need more time, just continue. If you listen to it till 8 minutes, put a smiley face in the comment. I will see. And if it take more, put 2 smiley face. Give me an idea if I need to make a new one or if you're all done with this one. But we all learn something new every day, so if it's not good for you, maybe it will be for somebody else. So you could share this video with your friend. And I would like to say thank you so much for your support, everybody, and wish you all a good year. There, and I will continue. I move my work along when I go with the wool needle stitches. You could see the pattern, it looked good. If you go and look at your right now, it look good. The pattern is the stitches is good. If you don't do the right way will change the look of the stitches. First time I tried that, I was like not doing it good. It was neat the other side. Don't remember what I did, but it was neat on the wrong side. Now it's neat on the good side. But anyways, I learned. We all learn by trying. If we don't try, we don't learn. I did this technique for a headband. You could see the headband now. I reversed, not reversed, but I put the camera a little bit less closer because you understand it, and I will put that just a little bit faster because I want you to see how to finish it. Almost finished. Keep turning my work. And I have a long list of things to do for 2022 project for my channel, so don't worry and keep on watching for something different. I try my best to keep up with a lot of video. So I arrive at the end right there, closer, and then grab the last stitch and go get the other one like this. Whoops, I was in the middle of the stitch, the yarn. So that's it. I'm here. Now I will remove the waste yarn. To remove the waste yarn, I will just pull on that one. It's easy because it was the ending of the knitting, and the other one was the beginning and the cast on, so the inside was the ending of the work. So that's why it's easy to remove. Put that yarn away for next project. And to remove this one, I will have to find the little tail, remove the first layer. When the first layer will be gone, it will be easy to remove, like the one inside. I could grab it. It's there. It's here. Okay. It was a trouble. I was stuck, so I remove it. So that was the first try. It's not bad. I need to stretch it more and maybe grab another stitch to join the other one because they're a little bit old here. There. And attach those two together now, and I will be just good. Don't tie too much because you don't want to change the shape of your project. Like this, and I did in between the two layers. Voila! Now you cut the excess, and voila, you're done. You're finished your graft. So see you next week for a new video. Ciao ciao. Oh, it's stuck there. I sew both sides together. Oops, made a mistake. It's happened to me too, you see. Anyways, you know how to do it now. Ciao ciao. See you.